So today we'll be going ahead and remove this Gentex Commander 3 horn strobe. We're going to go ahead and mount the system sensor SPSW speaker strobe. But all we literally have to do is we're going to wire up the strobe, not the speaker, because I'm afraid that the earbuds might make the speaker a little bit quieter. So we're going to go ahead and wire up the strobe. Alright, so before installing this unit, we're going to go ahead and take off the plate. So this thing actually will take this thing off of it. So the turn plate needs to be taken off. And now second, remove the alarm part. So as you can see, we're going to go ahead and remove this mounting bracket here. So all you literally have to do is get your screwdriver and insert this screw, you're going to insert the screwdriver into the screw here. Okay, we're going to put the screw here. Don't you worry, I'm not going to put it onto the box. Then we're going to go ahead, I will put the screw into the box later after I'm done installing this. We're going to go ahead and remove this. We're going to remove the white wire because the white wire goes first. And then now, go ahead and remove this too. Now you're going to figure out which one that we're going to wire today. Okay, so no more Gentex, so this is an old alarm. So we're going to go ahead and mount the system sensor SPSW speaker strobe. So the strobe could be like this. Then you're going to see everything here. Here are so we're going to go ahead and mount this. So we're going to go ahead and put the mounting bracket into the wires here. Alright, so as you can see, now I'm going to screw in this negative wire here. Because I already paused the video for the positive. Oops. Alright, so as you can see, you got your positive and the negative onto the bracket. We're going to go ahead and mount the unit on. Uh-oh. Okay, so as you can see, you got it here. So now we're going to go ahead and put another screw onto it, which is this screw. Alright, so as you can see, I did not even put the screw in here, but we're going to go ahead and use that insert screwdriver thing. So we're going to go ahead and insert the screw, like screw it a million times, or maybe a couple times, and then after you're done screwing this in, you're going to put on the alarm. There you go. Now you're going to put in the unit here. Let's push all the wires here. Let's push them out. Okay. Now you're going to go ahead and put on this unit here. So as you can see, this is the strobe. So we're going to go ahead and switch this into 1575 candela. We're going to go ahead and mount this onto the box. Now we're going to go ahead and screw this in. Boom, now there it is. And now we're going to go ahead and install the Simplex T-bar. So as you can see, if we turn it to the back, here are the screw. We're going to go ahead and put the screws in. So our first one, which we're going to have here, is this. So the red wire goes here to number 4. So, or maybe number 3. So number 3 and 4 are the positive. So I recommend put the red wire here. So we're going to go ahead and put this into it. And then we're going to go ahead and screw this in. Let's screw this in just more. Boom. Now you got your wires here. So we got the first wire, the red wire. Now we're on the second wire here. Hold on. Alright, so as you can see, I just paused the video to screw this this white wire in, because usually if I carry this wire with one hand with a screwdriver, insert the wire into the screw, it might hurt. So second, you may go ahead and insert the second wire right here. This terminal here. So a simplex pole station can work with a system sensor device. We're gonna go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so as you can see, I already connected the black wire that goes up to the speaker strobe here. And then how about this one? The other one is different, simple. We're gonna go ahead and put the black wire into this terminal, the last terminal that we're going to do today. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. It's simple. You're gonna go ahead and put this in, insert the screw in here. There we go. Alright, now let's see how we screw this in. So we're going to screw this in all the way. And then after you're done, we're going to put the screws in it. Alright. Alright, so as you can see, this alarm is not even screwed, because I know it's hanging off. So what should we do to install this? Is we're going to get the screws, and I'm going to open up the pole station. Okay, so as you can see, to open up your pole station, get your simplex B key. Like it says here. So you're going to get your simplex B key. Open up the device. So we're going to go ahead and lay this flat. So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and mount one screw in the hole here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and mount this. So we're going to go ahead and screw this in. And then we're done. Alright, so as you can see, I already mount the fire alarm into its own batteries. So what I did is I wired up this pole station, but for reasons is this wire. So I had this wire go through the hole and goes to the batteries. We're gonna go we're gonna go ahead and pull the fire alarm. So for some cases, some pole stations do have the LED, but some do not. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the fire alarm. So some pole stations do have the push bar on it, even though you can push and pull down, but just simple. Just lift the knocker and just pull it down. Once again, so this knocker is for breaking the glass, but I do not have any glass with me, so let's go ahead and pull it. Yeah, as you can see, the speaker is not wired up to everything, because I did not have the speaker wired, so yeah. Yeah, there are little blue things here. Look. Yeah, that one's actually really old. Let's go ahead and reset the pole station. Where'd my keys go? Oh, they're right behind me. Sorry. Once again, this pole station takes a simplex B key to open it. See the strobe flashing? Here's the inside. Then turn it. Yep. It's working. So that is my installing my system sensor SPSW speaker strobe video.